Hello guys, welcome to my channel Become Billionaire. Here you are new. If before starting the video, I can request you can subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos. Here we're telling about Lamborghini Huracan STO. Lamborghini Huracan STO net worth in dollars is $450,000 and he covers the area 300 km per hour. This car is all about luxury, and this car is totally about billionaires. The car's models are very beautiful, and his body shape is very beautiful, and his colors are very awesome. He can bout only billionaires peoples. Can show in pictures. You can show these pictures, and you can show his interior. The interior of is this car is very awesome, the luxury total luxury car, and you can see her seats, her thing, and her totally inner system are very beautiful. And the other designs of this car, you can last Lambo's cars designs. This color is very awesome, black. You can I can also like this color because this color is totally awesome. You can see her shapes because this car is very beautiful. At the end, I can request you, if you are new on my channel, please kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos. And for shorts, you can see if you want to shorts videos, you can tell us me in comments.